Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve class 1 NSO set B of 2016. So let's begin the solution. The first section is logical reasoning. First question is select the odd one out. So here all these three are for the writing purpose except teddy bear. So it is the odd one out here. Mohit is standing dash the house. So what is it? So it is outside the house. So the correct option is C. Which of the following is third from the left end? So here we have the right end mentioned. So the left one is this one, and first, second and third. So third from the left end will be the option D. Identify the missing shape. So what will be the missing one? Here we have triangle, circle, rectangle. So the missing one, or it is not a rectangle friends, like it is a curve from here. Here we have squares also. So the correct option here is rectangle. Okay, now question number 5. Four girls are standing in a line. Which is the shortest and the tallest respectively? The shortest one is Trishu as shown, and the tallest one is Siddharth. So Trishu and Siddharth, option D. Let's check out the science section. Question number 6. Manya notices that plant captures insect by shutting it two leaves like a shell when an insect lands on them, and this shows us that living things can what? Living things can respond to touch, okay, and can move themselves. So option C will be correct here. Let's check out the 7th question. Based on the shape of the leaf X, here it is, which of these following these can be grouped in the same? So here we have 5 points or symmetrical vertices on this leaf. So it can be matchable with this one, option B. Okay, so we can go with it, and option B is correct option for here. Match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option. So column 1 will have cotton, mango and sugarcane. In the same way we have resultant of it in the place of sugar, fruit, furniture and clothes. So if we match it, then cotton must be matchable to 3, mango must be matchable to furniture because the wood of mango tree is used for that, and sugarcane is used for sugar making. So A 3, B 2 and C 1. The only option which fulfills the criteria is option A. Now let's move on to the 9th question. I have no legs and I wriggle on the ground. I have a long cylindrical body and slit tongue. Who am I? So who is it, friends? Snake. Okay, because lizards have legs while the earthworm don't have tongue. Okay, which of the following activities is safe? Look here what the kids are doing. Like this small kid is using the scissors without the guidance of any elder one. So is it safe? No. In the next one, this kid is doing some sort of electrical work or cutting the wire, so it is also not good. And the final one is this kid is doing, let me zoom it for you guys so that you can clearly see, and this kid is doing fireworks, so it is also dangerous. So what we can do here, the safest one is this kid is putting the toys in the box or maybe extracting it, so it is quite safe. There is no harm in doing this work. Select the unsafe habit out of the following. We should trim our nails once a week by ourselves. Is it safe or unsafe? What is your opinion? So it is a good habit, okay, and it is safe also. Like it is the unsafe one because the kids like you guys are don't have a proper knowledge of trimming and all, and if we cut it or trim our nails without the proper consideration of elder one, there are possibilities of consequences. We shouldn't walk and talk eating to avoid coughing. It is good. So rest of the options are good, but the only option which doesn't rely upon the given condition is option A. Okay. So now let's see the next section. Question number 12. Mala paired animals with similar habits. She made one incorrect pair. What is it? So bear and crow, lion and vulture, sparrow and cow, and frog and snake. So which one is incorrect match as per your consideration? So if you see, sparrow and cow is an incorrect pair because these two don't have any kind of similar activity. Sparrow used to fly off while the cows are on the ground. Okay, now let's move on. Select the correct option. If you guys are thinking that what about bear and crow, so bear and crow have the similarities of eating, but in case of grain eating habits of cow and sparrow, so sparrows usually eat grains and small insects while the cow eats green vegetables or green grass. So they have a kind of huge difference between the eating habit and all. And so-called lion and vulture have also the same eating habit, and frog and snake have also. So option C will be the correct here. Select the correct statement from the following. Sun appears to move from west to east in the sky. Is it correct, friends? No, it is not correct. Now, the moon gives us light that it gets from the sun. Yes, it is correct. So option B will be right. Air can dash, move things, give shape to the things, burn things, all these. So all these activities are done with the help of air. Question number 15. Rolly filled two balloons with equal amount of material X and Y respectively. Then she placed them on the balance. What she saw is shown in the given figure. Select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. So what is your prospect? Like X must be a heavier object as shown in the figure, and Y is a lighter one. So let's see. Sand is heavier and air is lighter. So is it good for the given question? Yes, absolutely. Option B. Now let's see question number 16. Unscrambled words. Here it is given. Find the name of the animal home. Then select the correct match of the animal and its home. So for question number 16, hive is the option, like bee lives in the hives. So option D. I want you guys to mention the name of the houses of the rest of 3 in the comment section. So please mention it if you are enjoying our classes. And if you are willing to join our paid courses, then mention it too, so that our team can contact you. We wear a dash to protect from cold, so it will be a jacket. So 17th number question has a correct option, which is A. Now question number 18, let's check it out. The given figure shows the sense organs labeled as PQRS. Select the correct option regarding this. We identify salty biscuit among the sweet biscuit with the help of R. So what do you think? R must be a tongue. Let me clearly mention it first, then we will see the figure in a zoomed perspective. When Q is closed, hot coffee cannot be distinguished from cold coffee. Which one is closed? Tell me. When Q is closed, hot coffee cannot be distinguished from a cold coffee. So Q will be what? Eyes, by seeing a hot coffee, or maybe nose also, because hot coffee smells. We sense the rising of a bell with the help of S. So we sense the ringing of the bell with S. So S must be ear. D. When P closed, the blue ball cannot be identified among the balls. So P is eyes. So there is no possibility of eyes here. It will be nose. Okay. Now let's zoom the figure. Are you guys okay with it? Now let's see after zooming it. Here we have R for the nose. Okay. Here we have R for the nose, R for the ear. Okay. S for the tongue, Q for the nose, and P for the eyes. Okay. So the only option which is correct here is the last one, stable, like P for eyes, and the last one also indicates P. Like if you see here, yeah, P is closed, we can't identify blue ball from red ball. So the correct option here for the question will be option D. Question number 19. Which of the following pictures shows the correct role of our houses? So it protects us from sun, rain, and cold also. So is it all of the above or all of the mentioned option? Yes, it is. Question number 20. Which of the following statements is correct? Our neck moves our head in all the direction. Is it possible? No. It can be moved in at a certain angle in the direction left and right, not like in all the direction. We should wear woolen clothes in summer. No, it is also not correct. We should eat our meal in the dining room. Yes, it is correct. Now question number 21. Which study the given flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies animal P and Q. Egg laying animal with 4 legs. So P is not the animal with 4 legs, but it is a egg laying one. So it has 2 options with hen, which is egg layer, but in the next section we have egg laying animal with 4 legs, which is only possible with frog. So option C will be correct. Fish don't have 4 legs or any leg. Question number 22. The children shown in the pictures are not following safety rules. Select the correct option regarding this. So which one is the correct option here for the safety of the kids? Anyone? Yes, the correct option is deep should deep should wear what? Swimming ring and swimming goggles. Okay, like if you see, Sia has swimming ring and this Ali has swimming goggles. Okay, now let's move on to 23rd question. Which of the following statements is incorrect? So 23rd will be drinking a lot of water in summer. Is it incorrect? No, my dear friends, it is absolutely right, because it helps us from saving ourselves from dehydration. Take an umbrella while going out in the hot summer afternoon. It is also good. Wearing woolen clothes in winter, it is also a good habit. Then no doubt the option D will be the correct. When getting late to reach a place, try to get on a moving bus. It is incorrect, because a moving bus can put ourselves in in a accident. So we don't try this. Which of the following persons is using water wisely? The guy in option A is using shower. Here the kid is using overflowed water, and here the pipe, and here the woman is washing the clothes in a tub. So the most wise way or water saving way will be what? Option C, because the tap is not open here. If you see in many, all the rest three cases, the direct flow of water is done. So option C will be correct. Okay, now 25th number question. Which of the following options on scrambling will give name of the things present in air? So if we match it, then all of these are present in air. Like if we unscramble this is dust, this is oxygen, and I want to name this thing, but I want you guys to name it. So those who find it, please mention it in the comment section. Okay, like you can mention it as question number 25th unscrambled word of option A is this. Okay, so let's see, all of these will be the correct option here. Nidhi put small red metal ball in a black rectangular thermocol box and sealed it. She gave it to her brother. Which is following observation could her brother make? What can be the observations right now? Tell me. So it will be, the box is not empty, the first observation, and the last, like ball is of red color or what, it is not mentioned here. The ball is metallic, there is a metal ball inside the box. So is it also like rectangular thermocol box is and sealed it, so we can't observe it from the outside. Like if the box of thermocol is sealed, then how can it be possible for anyone to find out that what it is inside the box. So the box is not empty will be the correct option with the required condition. Let's go with question number 27. Refer to the given telephonic conversation between two friends. Ajay, my younger sister is busy in making snowman since morning. Anu, and at my place we are forced to stay in the in to avoid heat stroke. So different symbols used to describe weather condition at the place shown below. Select the correct option. Which one is correct for? So for Ajay, the kids are making snow. So the snowfall one will be fourth one. So at Ajay's place, snowfall is happening, which is in option C. So the correct option for this question 27 question number is option C. Now let's move on to question number 28. Geeta was looking at the sky and observed that orange sun was gradually turning bright and yellow. What time of the day does it indicates? Afternoon? Yes, it is, or 6 a.m. in the morning, because 5 a.m. in the evening doesn't represent the brightening nature of sun. It is diminishing at that time. So which one it is? So by the time of 6 p.m. the orange sun appears and then it starts turning into bright yellow. So option A will be the correct match here for the given question. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Non-living things can move by themselves. Is it correct? No. It is incorrect. Okay. So the question is, which of the following option is incorrect? Living things can move by themselves. Some living things can make their own food. So it is also incorrect. All the living things, not all the living things are able to do it. Yes. Like the living things like plants and plants can be able to make their own food, but as far as animals are considered, they are not been able to do so. So living things can move by themselves, it is also good. And then plant do not move from one place to another, it is also correct. So the incorrect one, the only incorrect option we have is option D. As per the guidance, because non-living things can move by themselves, it is an incorrect option, not the correct one. Okay. Question number 30. Unscramble the given letter of the selected words, that is an odd one. So which one is odd here in question number 30? So for that you guys have to decode or adjust the word to get the proper meaning. Like let me write one for you, it is river, and you have to write the rest of the words and mention it in the comment section as 30th question option B is this word, that word, and that word. Okay, it is just to get that how attentively you guys are listening to this solution. Okay, so let me make it clear to you guys, like what is the correct answer for this question. So it is option D. Achievers section, the most innovative and desirable section in all the Olympiad category. Mukti describes three things as follows. Thing X only can move only when pushed and can grow in size up to a limit when wet. So which is it? Tell me. So you must have heard about gel beads. Okay. If you don't have heard it, then you can see or Google it. So gel beads are the type of a substance which can inflate or grow, and nothing else of the option are matchable with option X, like the condition X puts on. So we can go with the options, rest will be the right one. Now let's see the 32nd question. Look at the given picture of a plant. Select the correct statement for part WXYZ. So let's see, y must be what? So for the 32nd question, let's check out. Part Y can sometimes store food as in carrot and radish. So Y is the root section, as you see. So yes, it is correct. And if it is correct, then we don't have to look at any other option because we have found the correct one. 33rd question. Shyam's mother lit a candle and then covered it with a glass jar. What will be the observe? What will they observe after some time? So all the substance or burning needs air. Okay. And since there is no air here, then after some time the candle stops burning. So candle will stop burning. Okay. 32nd. The answer of 33rd question is B. The second last question of this solution is, which of the following object is hidden in the given word grid? So let's see. The word grid is the only planet where life exists. So it must be Earth. Okay. And you guys have to find the word Earth here. Okay. Heavenly bodies that is one in number and gives light during daytime. So what is it? Heavenly bodies, the only heavenly bodies which gives light in daytime are sun or stars. Okay. Now heavenly bodies that are many in number and shiny at night. So this must be stars. Okay. And then a large group of teeny droplets that we can see in a sky. So here we have all the options read. Now let's see what options are given in the word grid and what are not. Okay. So for the 34th question, which of the following object is hidden in the word grid? So stars are also not mentioned here, sun is also not mentioned here, and earth's name is also not given. Like if you check it out in all the creeds, we will not find any of these following. So we can go with the option D. Okay. Now the last one of this section is 35th question. What could be X, Y and Z? Okay. So let's see. Animal with 6 legs. So why is the animal with 6 legs? So what are the maximum possibility? It will be ant, okay, or a grasshopper also. Like both of these are a kind of insects. What will the possibility of animal with wings? So X will have the 6 legs and he had wings. So grasshopper, okay. And then, sorry, it is for the X one. So X, the bed bugs, yes, or mosquitoes. Like 6 legs have also have mosquitoes have 6 legs and wings. And head louse. Head louse means they are found in head, and they are called in Hindi जू, ओके। आपने सुना होगा कि लोग कहते हैं कि सिर में जू आ गई हैं। सो दिस आर हेड लाउस, द प्लूरल ऑफ इट इज लाइस, ओके। And then the last one is animal with 8 legs. So the animal with 8 legs is a spider. So the correct option here is option A. So we have successfully solved the question paper of NSO 2016 Set B Class 1. If you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you are willing to join our paid courses, then please mention in the comment section. Our team will contact you. Thank you.